guys, today we're making quinoa salad and I have a little guest with me. We're so excited to share this recipe with you guys. It's super simple and super delicious. And here we have our ingredients, which is 1 cup of quinoa boiled into 2 cups of water, 1 large cubanelle pepper diced, 1.5 cup of cherry tomatoes cut into 4 or roughly chopped, 1 medium onion diced, 1 handful of cilantro roughly chopped, 1/4 cup of dried cranberry, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. As you are waiting for the quinoa to cook, you can go ahead and cut up your vegetables or have them already diced before the quinoa starts cooking. It depends how quick you are. And here we have our vegetables all nicely chopped and diced. Go ahead and add our quinoa to our vegetables. Make sure you have a decent sized bowl with some room left so that you can mix properly, okay? And here our little guest has arrived and he's gonna go ahead and tell me what to start putting. Okay, first he said the olive oil and he's playing with the salt, but we have to be careful because this is a glass container. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and try to add a little bit of salt. Okay, add gradually because you don't want to make it too salty, okay? Add your lemon juice, drizzle that over. Add the cranberries and go ahead and see if your assistant will assist you, but if they start eating it, then never mind. You're gonna end up with no cranberries. And go ahead and drizzle a little bit of the honey. Okay, not too much. You don't want it too sweet because it's going to be going back and forth with honey and the salt. So just add very little at a time. Okay. And this quinoa salad is good for about 3 days in the fridge. And it's really good cold. I prefer it cold. You can eat it warm if you like, but I really prefer it cold. It is amazing. If you like, you can even add grilled chicken to the salad. You can add walnuts or the nuts of your choosing, and you can add more cilantro if you like. I love cilantro, so the more the merrier. Also, don't be afraid to share with others. You know, they're really gonna love it. They're gonna ask you for some more. It's very filling, okay? Even though the word salad is in this recipe, in the name of the dish, it's really good and filling, okay? Thank you again for joining me, and I hope you have a little assistant of your own to help you with this dish. Enjoy, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.